Today's world is full of financial challenges. Inflation is rising, and it seems like every time you turn around, prices are going up. From groceries to gas, the cost of living is steadily increasing, making it harder for many to make ends meet. The cost of living keeps going up, and families everywhere are feeling the pinch. Monthly expenses are becoming a source of stress as people struggle to balance their budgets and cover their bills. It's a constant battle to stay afloat. It's easy to feel lost in this financial maze. With so many numbers, terms, and decisions to make, it can be overwhelming. Many find themselves confused and unsure of where to start or how to manage their finances effectively. This is where financial literacy comes in. Understanding the basics of finance can make a world of difference. It empowers you to make informed decisions, plan for the future, and avoid common pitfalls. It's no longer just an option, it's a necessity. In today's complex financial landscape, having a solid grasp of personal finance is crucial. Whether it's budgeting, saving, or investing, financial literacy is the key to navigating these challenges. Financial literacy equips you with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate this complex landscape. It provides the tools to manage your money wisely, set realistic goals, and achieve financial stability. Without it, you risk falling prey to debt, poor financial decisions, and missed opportunities. The consequences of financial ignorance can be severe, leading to stress, anxiety, and a cycle of financial hardship. This is your wake-up call. It's time to take control of your financial future. Start by educating yourself and taking small steps toward better financial health. It's time to take control of your finances. Begin by tracking your spending, creating a budget, and setting financial goals. Knowledge is power, and with the right information, you can make smarter financial choices. Your future depends on it. The actions you take today will shape your financial well-being for years to come. By planning ahead and making informed decisions, you can build a secure and prosperous future. Don't let the complexities of finance scare you. With the right resources and support, you can master your finances and achieve your goals. Seek advice from professionals and use tools that simplify financial management. We can break it down together. Financial education is a journey, and you're not alone. There are many resources available to help you understand and manage your finances effectively. Let's embark on this journey toward financial empowerment. Together, we can navigate the financial maze and achieve financial freedom. Celebrate your milestones, learn from your experiences, and keep moving forward.
What exactly is financial literacy? It's the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills. This includes budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. As the renowned investor Warren Buffett once said, "Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing." Financial literacy is about minimizing risk. It's about making informed choices with your money. It's about achieving your financial goals. Financial literacy is about taking charge. It's about having the confidence to make sound financial decisions. It's about securing your financial well-being.
Lack of financial literacy can have devastating consequences. People without financial knowledge often struggle. They may fall into debt. They might make poor investment choices. Imagine not being able to afford your rent or mortgage. Imagine the stress of mounting credit card debt. These situations can lead to anxiety and hardship. Financial illiteracy doesn't just impact individuals. It affects families, communities, and even the entire economy. When people struggle financially, it creates a ripple effect.
Financial literacy isn't just about avoiding problems, it's also about achieving success. With financial knowledge, you can budget effectively, you can save for your dreams, you can invest wisely. Imagine being debt-free. Imagine owning your dream home. Imagine retiring comfortably. These goals are within reach when you are financially literate. Financial literacy empowers you. It gives you control over your money. It allows you to build a secure future.
Ready to take charge of your financial future? It's time to take practical steps towards financial literacy and secure your financial well-being. Here's how. First, start with a budget. Creating a budget is the foundation of financial literacy. It helps you understand your financial situation and plan for the future. Track your income and expenses. By keeping a detailed record of your earnings and expenditures, you can identify areas where you can save money and cut unnecessary costs. Know where your money is going. This awareness is crucial for making informed financial decisions and avoiding debt. There are great budgeting apps available. These tools can simplify the process and help you stay on track with your financial goals. Next, build an emergency fund. This fund acts as a financial safety net, providing you with peace of mind in case of unexpected expenses. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This amount ensures that you can cover your basic needs even if you face a sudden loss of income. This protects you from unexpected events. Then educate yourself, read books, follow financial experts. Knowledge is power, and staying informed about financial matters can help you make better decisions. There are countless resources available online and in libraries. From blogs and podcasts to books and online courses, you can find valuable information to enhance your financial literacy. Lastly, seek professional advice. Consider consulting a financial advisor for personalized guidance. They can help you create a tailored financial plan and provide expert insights. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Financial advisors, mentors, and even knowledgeable friends can offer valuable advice and support. There are many resources available to guide you. By taking these practical steps, you can build a strong foundation for your financial future and achieve your financial goals.
Your financial well-being is in your hands. Every decision you make today can shape your financial future. It's time to take control. Start by understanding where you stand financially. Financial literacy is a journey. It begins with small steps like reading a book or taking an online course. It's about continuous learning and improvement. Stay updated with the latest financial trends and strategies. It's about making informed decisions. Consult with experts and create a checklist of your financial goals. It's about securing your future. Start saving today, no matter how small the amount. It's about achieving your dreams. Start today. Take small steps. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how minor it seems. Every bit of effort counts. Organize your finances, track your spending, and save diligently. You have the power to create a brighter financial future. Don't wait. Plan your steps and monitor your progress regularly. Your future self will thank you. The efforts you put in today will bring you peace and satisfaction tomorrow. Remember, financial literacy is not a destination, it's a journey. Embrace the process and stay committed. Embrace it and watch your financial dreams turn into reality. Share your journey with loved ones and inspire them to take charge too.